This is Project Brighton, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Project Brighton is painted in full gloss Porsche oak green with silver accents. Brighton sits on E.C.D custom 18-inch heritage style alloy wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic style front bumper with daytime running lights, 6-point full external roll cage and a rear work light. Inside, Project Brighton features a premium Evander wood steering wheel with classic white gauges, the E.C.D custom dashboard made completely in-house, 2 quad-bow trail cap front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal hides Ferrari Napa beige stitched together in cream. This 110 is powered by a GM 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 10-speed automatic transmission. Project Brighton also features an array of modern touches such as touchscreen radio with infinity Kappa speakers, rear AC and access to charging points throughout the vehicle.